Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting a niche with clear commissions and buyer intent. Focus on products that convert. Next, create a Fiverr gig offering affiliate marketing services, describe deliverables, timelines, and required client info. Once done, build a simple landing page and generate tracking links to measure clicks and conversions, and add a brief privacy disclosure. Make sure to include screenshots or past results if available to boost trust. Start with competitive pricing to get initial buyers and gather feedback quickly. You now construct the execution engine. Create ad copy, a landing page, and a simple email sequence to warm leads. Use UTM parameters and link shorteners to trace traffic from Fiverr clients to affiliate sales, and install conversion pixels where allowed to validate results. Deliver clear packages, set up ongoing promotion and performance-based bonuses so clients understand value. Once live, optimize copy and targeting based on initial data. Make sure to document each change so you can reproduce winning funnels. You finish by scaling what works, double down on winning creatives, and reinvest a set % of profits into paid traffic. Deliver concise reports with clicks, conversion rate, and attributed revenue, and suggest 2 clear next steps. If performance stalls, check traffic quality, landing page load speed, and offer fit. Those 3 cause most failures. Make sure to run a simple A/B test before changing the funnel entirely, and communicate fixes with the client so expectations stay aligned and you preserve trust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.